Time is one of the most fascinating concepts in our universe, yet it remains utterly mysterious. Did you know that time is not a fixed entity?
Ancient Egyptians were among the first to measure time accurately, using sundials and water clocks around 1500 BC.
In medieval Europe, public clocks were often installed in churches, acting as a communal method to keep time for the public.
The word clock comes from the medieval Latin cloca, meaning bell, as early clocks were designed to ring to mark the hours.
Contrary to popular belief, time doesn't flow uniformly. According to relativity theory, time can slow down or speed up depending on your relative speed and gravitational influence. Einstein's theory of relativity introduced the idea that time is interwoven with space, forming what we call spacetime.
The International Space Station orbits Earth at a speed of about 17,500 miles per hour, experiencing time slightly slower than people on Earth.
Did you know that people in different cultures perceive time differently? For instance, many indigenous cultures have a more cyclical view of time compared to the linear perspective common in Western societies.
The ancient Mayans also had a unique understanding of time, dividing it into multiple cycles that could span thousands of years.
In Japan, the concept of monozukuri conveys a deep appreciation for the present moment, emphasizing the importance of living in the now.
The atomic clock, which measures time based on the vibrations of atoms, is so precise that it can keep time to within 1 second for millions of years.
Standard time zones were first established in 1884 at the International Meridian Conference, where it was decided to split the world into 24 different time zones.
Daylight saving time was first proposed by Benjamin Franklin in 1784, although it wasn't officially adopted until the 20th century.
In some cultures, such as the Philippines, being late can be seen as a sign of social status, where people may arrive late to events to appear more important.
Scientists believe that an hour on Venus is longer than a day on Venus, as it takes 243 Earth days for Venus to complete one rotation on its axis.
Time dilation, a concept from Einstein's theory of relativity, means that time moves slower in stronger gravitational fields, such as near a black hole.
Quantum physics introduces an even more perplexing aspect of time, suggesting that time may not be linear at the atomic level.
The oldest known mechanical clock dates back to 727 AD and was built in China, with intricate mechanisms that work without weights.
Neuroscience research suggests that our perception of time can expand or contract based on our emotional and psychological state.
Many animals, including some species of fish and birds, have been observed to sense time passage and adapt their behavior accordingly.
Some proponents of time travel theorize that we could potentially observe events in the distant past if we could reach a certain speed.
In literature, time travel has been a recurring theme since H.G. Wells' The Time Machine was published in 1895. The concept of standard time resulted in the need for synchronized clocks, which became critical with the expansion of the railways.
Photons, or particles of light, exist in a state where time does not apply in the conventional sense, as they travel at the speed of light. In philosophy, time has been debated for millennia, with varying theories regarding its nature, existence, and how it relates to reality.
The invention of pocket watches in the 16th century made timekeeping portable and personal, profoundly affecting how people organized their lives.
Time can influence mood. Studies have shown that people in different time frames, long-term versus short-term, exhibit differing anxiety levels.
In storytelling, the manipulation of time can create suspense, with techniques such as flashbacks and foreshadowing enriching narratives.
Did you know that human beings are capable of tracking time with remarkable accuracy, often estimating intervals with only slight errors?
The cosmic microwave background radiation from the Big Bang has helped scientists gather information about time's very beginnings.
Nobel Prize-winning physicist Richard Feynman once suggested that time is an illusion, as in quantum mechanics it is interdependent with space.
Our daily experience of time can feel subjective. Moments of joy may fly by, while moments of distress often feel like they drag on.
Understanding time is essential for evolution. Various species have adapted to seasonal changes by developing rhythms based on time.
Time capsules, created to preserve memories for future generations, have been buried throughout history, often containing contemporary artifacts. On Earth, every day is slightly longer than 24 hours due to the gravitational effects of the Moon and the Earth's rotation slowing over time.
The ancient Greeks had two words for time: chronos, which referred to chronological time, and kairos, which referred to a qualitative, opportune moment.
In summary, the concept of time is not only a scientific measurement but also a profound philosophical question, deeply rooted in human experience.
We hope you enjoyed this journey through time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating facts.